Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your TNT SIM is active and you have signal. This avoids accidental service loss. Once done, make sure your phone has at least 20% battery so the change completes. Now open the Settings app and go to Connections or Network Settings. You need to reach the mobile network controls. This first step gets you into the right menu quickly, because turning off roaming happens inside the network options rather than from a TMP app. You now access the TNT SIM slot under Mobile Networks or SIM settings. Select the correct SIM if dual SIM. Next, find the data roaming option and switch it off. This prevents international or partner networks from using data. Once switched, the phone may prompt for confirmation. Accept to apply. Make sure mobile data remains configured for local use if you still need connectivity. Turning roaming off saves costs and stops unexpected charges while keeping local service intact. After switching roaming off, restart your phone to ensure the setting fully applies. This helps the device re-register with local networks. Once rebooted, check the status bar for your carrier name without a roaming indicator. This confirms success. If you still see roaming or you lose service, reset network settings or toggle the SIM off and contact TNT support if needed. These final steps complete the change and give you one reliable troubleshooting option if the setting does not stick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.